Hello team, I am Miguel from the Revestech channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install our built-in shower tray, Revestech's linear level shower drain. Let's take a look. This will be the finished product with the tile on top completely hiding the drain. Pay close attention to the kit we will be showing you today. Everything is included so that you can make your custom shower completely waterproof using the tile of your choice. We will do everything from the shower base to the niche and show the finished shower. I hope you like it and can apply it to your future projects. Hello team. We are going to learn how to install the lineal level shower drain from beginning to end. We will go over the tools needed for today's installation. We will use a spatula and a trowel. In this case, we will use a 15cm trowel, but a 10cm will work just as well. We will also use a plastic trowel to remove the air from the waterproofing membrane and ensure proper adhesion. Gloves are used for safety and cleanliness, as well as a level, a knife, a tape measure, and a pencil for drawing and measuring. As with all Revestech products, our systems are adhered with a flexible C2S1 tile adhesive. Do you wish to learn how to install our products in a simple way? Come and I will show you how. Here I am with Adrian Lado, an expert builder who is dedicated to renovating and has a company called Adrian Lado Construction. This is what the lineal level shower drain kit includes from Revestech. Everything is included so that you can do the entire shower. As I have said before, we have the lineal level shower drain with a waterproofing membrane that is heat sealed to the poly base, which gives it total watertightness. The kit comes in different sizes, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 120 cm, or we can even make it to order. Supplied in the box are the drain, polyurethane adhesive for critical areas, as well as this waterproof membrane. With this, you can do everything from the floor to the wall. Now, I will let our expert Adrian Lado from Adrian Lado Construction explain everything in a step-by-step manner needed for installing the lineal level shower drain. Included are all technical details. Please be attentive because he is a machine and will explain everything clearly. Hello, how are you? Let's show a bit of the process that I have carried out and see if it's of any help. What we have done is level all the walls with a mixture of sand and cement, both the walls and the floor in all the wet areas. With this, we have achieved a level surface so that the waterproof membrane does not have any imperfections. On the floor, we have created a slope of approximately 2%. It is at the discretion of the installer to have a larger or smaller slope. The larger the slope, the more the water will flow. With the slopes leveled, we have left an opening to install the lineal level shower drain using the proper adhesive for both the shower drain and waterproofing membrane. Now we will install the lineal level shower drain and waterproofing membrane, which will stop at the walls. We have measured everything well and checked that everything is level and flush with the slope we have made, so that when we install and cover with tile, everything will be aligned with the shower base. To recap what we have done: measure the area, place the waterproofing membrane in place, and use the shower drain to help with alignment. With this, we have correctly marked the points where the dry 50 membrane will be installed. We mark on the wall where the adhesive will be needed as to not go higher than necessary. Once outlined, we will take out the waterproofing membrane from the box and cut it to the size needed with the help of a straight edge and knife. After checking, we will remove the membrane to work on the drain. We will proceed with installing the siphon. It is important that we check for leaks and proceed to mixing the flexible tile adhesive C2S1. We will mix until the adhesive is totally homogeneous with no lumps. We will proceed to vacuum and clean any remaining residue. Place the REVESTECHFLEX sealant into the caulking gun and proceed to glue the ring of the drain. Create a bead of flex adhesive on the inside of the ring and place it on the bottom of the lineal level as shown. To install the lineal level shower drain, we are applying adhesive to both the wall and the base where the lineal level drain will sit. We install a bead of flex sealant on the siphon as well. We add adhesive to the bottom of the lineal level drain as well to ensure proper adhesion. We place a ceramic tile over the drain to simulate the final installation and check for level and alignment. We apply pressure where it is needed to assure everything is completely level. Once this is done, we proceed to screwing on the ring of the siphon through the black liner. It is advised to do this manually as to not over-tighten the ring and cause damage to the siphon. Using the rubber trowel, we remove the air from the waterproofing membrane. We remove all the excess material in the corners and reinforce the corner to avoid any issues. Now we move to the larger waterproofing membrane we prepared earlier and find a comfortable position to install it by applying the corresponding adhesive in the correct amount needed for it to stick properly to the wall. We apply a bead of sealant between sheets to ensure a proper seal. We use the plastic trowel to apply pressure and ensure proper adhesion of all the joints of the membrane. It may be necessary to lift the sheets to get proper positioning. Remove any excess adhesive on the walls. We can remove any excess adhesive once the installation is finished and reseal the joint with a trowel. Use something completely flat to help you reach. It is very important to ensure that all the air and excess adhesive is removed, thus ensuring a proper bond. Remove the excess adhesive. Here we have the finished waterproofing membrane and lineal level shower drain installed. We will continue to install the membrane on the walls and niche. Once we have finished installing the membrane on the walls and niche, we can proceed with installing the tiles and see the finished product. trowel the adhesive in the same direction to ease in removing air. Place the membrane on the wall and begin removing the air bubbles, ensuring a proper bond. Apply the sealer between membranes and use the trowel to remove air bubbles and ensure a proper seal. Remember that for the installation of your shower wall, you will need to purchase another roll regardless of the kit. Measure the area you will be working on and shape the membrane as needed. Apply the adhesive to the area where you will install the membrane. Place the membrane on the wall and install it, removing any air bubbles with the trowel. Place adhesive where the waterproof membrane will be installed and then place the membrane over it. Again, use the trowel to remove any air, ensuring a smooth and proper bond. Measure the critical areas and make the cuts, marking the round locations that need trimming. Make sure to test the pieces for a tight fit and apply the pieces using the supplied sealer with a caulking gun. Be sure to mark the membrane to know how much sealer to apply. Be sure to evenly spread out the sealer and apply pressure so that it is properly adhered to the wall. Hello team, we have made it to the end of the video. As we can see, we have already installed all the ceramic tiles in the shower where the dry 50 membrane was used on both the walls and the shower base. We have achieved this super nice finish, including the niche we have built using the same products. As you can see, we even have a light installed. Now to show you the lineal level drain with the same ceramic tile as the floor. With this key, we can remove the tile and clean it as needed. As you can see, there is no metal here. It is spectacular. I invite you to subscribe to our Revestech channel as well as our Instagram page I hope you liked the lineal level video a lot. I invite you to also watch the Sumi level video, in which we teach how to install a shower with the Sumi level system, the square system. Join the Revestech team.